Hey credit cousins, today I'm going to cover how you can get approved for a business account with bad credit, no credit, or if you have negative banking history. Let me introduce myself. I'm designer Soapbox, and we talk about how to build credit, get high limit credit cards, how to make money online, and so much more. So if you're watching this, you are officially one of the credit cousins on this channel. If you are new, then go ahead and smack that subscribe button. This will help me see you stand out when you comment on the video, and you get a nice shiny red play button next to your name, so make sure you smash it. Click the post notification bell, like this video, and comment down "Hey credit cousins" down below when you are officially subscribed to the channel so other credit cousins can interact with you. This channel is all about learning from each other and with one another. So catch us in the comment section. I want to see you there, credit cousins. Now back to the video. So you want to get approved for a business account with bad credit? Well, you certainly can get approved for a business account with bad credit, and I'm going to tell you how and what banks will allow you. You may have started your business and want to take your business to the next level, or are tired of mixing personal with business, or want to build business credit. Then a very important step is to open a business account for your business. Most business bank accounts do require that you do have your business EIN number and are registered with the state of secretary, which will allow you to apply for a business account with your EIN number instead of your social security number, which is another gem for opening a bank account. So, did you know that lenders use other systems to check who you are when applying for an account at the institutions? Well, a very common reporting agency that many lenders use is ChexSystems. ChexSystems is a reporting agency that banks and credit unions use to collect your banking information that provides your previous negative or bad banking activity and history. Even though most banks do use ChexSystems to screen new customers, there are a few lenders that do not use this system, and I'm here to tell you who they are. Keep in mind, even though this can result to them not pulling your credit when not using ChexSystems, they may use other methods like the early warning system, EWS, telecheck, or even pull your credit if you accept personal guarantee. So to try to avoid any denial and more approvals with bad credit, try these banks and credit unions that do not use the ChexSystem to screen their new customers. PNC is a bank that does not use ChexSystems. When applying for an account, they won't deny you based on your ChexSystem report. This bank offers a full-service business banking complete with online and mobile services. As a business owner, you can open a small business account online. There is a $100 requirement to open a basic business account and a $10 monthly fee. But the first 3 statement cycles, there is no fee. Bank number 2, Suntrust Bank is a bank that does not use ChexSystem. Suntrust Bank is a regional bank that's great for business owners in the southeastern states and Washington, D.C. Because this bank does not use ChexSystems to screen its clients, you're more likely to get approved for an account even if you are on a ChexSystem. Suntrust is a full-service bank, and you'll gain access to multiple branch locations, ATMs, and online and mobile banking. They also have 3 types of business accounts, and the simple business checking account is a nice option with a $5 monthly fee, and that's automatically waived for the first 12 statement cycles. You can also open a business checking account with no deposit at this bank. Bank number 3, Renaissance Bank is a bank that does not use a ChexSystem. Renaissance Bank is great for business owners in Alabama, Florida, Georgia, Mississippi, and Tennessee. The bank does not use ChexSystems to screen clients, so previous ChexSystem history won't prevent you from opening a business account with this bank. This bank offers 3 types of business accounts. Their standard basic business checking account does have a $10 fee if the average ledger balance is less than $5,000. Plus, you'll need $100 for a deposit to open an account with this bank. However, you won't be able to open a business account online, so you'll need to visit a local branch in your area. Bank number 4, Wood Forest National Bank is a bank that does not use the check system. Wood Forest National Bank is one of my favorites because it offers second chance business checking account available for business owners with previous credit issues, making it easy to get approved for a bank account. The deposit to open a business account is $100 and the monthly fee is $12 if you have less than a $5,000 balance in your account. The monthly fee for this bank is not a very low cost, but the second chance banking may help those who have been denied a bank account in the past. This account is only viable for anyone living in Alabama, Florida, Georgia, and many other states that you can check out on their website. You will also need to visit a branch location to open an account, as they don't offer the option to open an account online. I will be posting all these links below. I highly encourage you to review these banks and check out their location page to see if any branches are near you or coming soon. If you are a member at a credit union on your personal side, most credit unions will allow you to sign up for a business account despite your creditworthiness in bank history. If you're a credit cousin on this channel, which you should be by subscribing, my favorite credit union is Navy Federal. And like Navy Federal Credit Union offers a business checking account that does not check the check systems. Most business owners that are looking to reestablish banking history will have an easier time with this credit union. But like most credit unions, you will need to apply and meet the membership qualifications like a residence, organization, association, or employer. You don't need to go to the branch to open a business account with Navy Federal. What you can do is download the application and fill it out and send it through the message portal on your personal Navy Federal account. Or you can even email it to Navy Federal. However, you must qualify to become a member by joining the Navy Federal. This credit union offers great rates and products for its members only and not for the entire public. So to learn how to qualify, make sure to watch this video on how to qualify. So credit cousins, I hope this gave you a better insight on what banks offer second chance banking and will approve you for bad credit. Make sure to leave a like on this video, and that will tell me that you are picking up what I'm putting down. And let me know in the comments any more questions, or if you have experience with any of these banks using your business bank account, if you are comfortable, so other credit cousins can learn about it. Remember, this channel is all about learning for each other, so I look forward to your feedback. And don't forget guys, I love you all. Bye. Hey, if you made it to the end of this video, I'm here to let you know that today will be the last day that the Instant Hard Ink Removal Guide will be for sale. So if you haven't got it, please make sure you click the link down in the description below to learn how you can remove your hard inquiries in as little as 24 hours. Yes, 24 hours you can remove your inquiries. So click the link down below in the description box to learn how you can remove your late payments, hard inquiries, collections, charge-offs, and so much more. You don't want to miss out. build your business credit like a boss? Well, you're in luck. I've created this awesome ebook where you can learn how to build business credit and get over $500,000 in business funding. It's on sale right now, $40 on sale. Original price is $125. I am giving you guys this at a highly discounted price, but only 100 copies will be sold at this price. Click the link in the description below or in the pinned comments. You are already a boss, so why not get that business credit like a boss?